Hello everyone, today I would like to show you all how to use new background sounds on iPhone iOS 26. Let's have a look. Before start, make sure you are using iPhone iOS 26. First, you need to enable background sounds on iPhone. So open Settings app on your iPhone. In Settings, tap Accessibility. Now scroll down little bit and tap Audio and Visual. Here you will see background sounds. Play background sounds to mask unwanted environmental noise. These sounds can minimize distractions and help you to focus. Tap background sounds. To enable background sounds, simply turn on the button beside background sounds. That's it, background sounds enabled. In iOS 26, you can set new background sounds. Tap sound to pick from the extended list. In iOS 26, you will see some new background sounds. You can choose and play the sound. From here, you can turn off background sounds also. You can use Control Center to add a new control. Search for background sounds and choose background sounds. From here, you can easily turn on background sound. So these are the steps to use background sounds on iPhone iOS 26. Hope this video help you. Please subscribe my channel by tap subscribe button. Also tap the bell icon to receive notifications about all new videos.